Well, good afternoon. Welcome to the Ag Market Network afternoon update. We had a negative day in all agricultural commodities. Matter of fact, most commodities were down today. Agricultural markets, energy markets, metal markets, all were down. We'll get into the specifics of where we are in just a minute. Just want to talk about what's going on possibly in these markets and what could be happening as we look forward. Why are commodities susceptible to a sell-off from here? Well, in recent days, we've had a series of events happen that could cause further deterioration in commodity prices. We first got the Greek debt crisis having been worked out, and that has been strong for the dollar, which in turn is negative for commodities. Then we've got the Iranian nuclear treaty. That has been something that's considered negative for crude oil prices, which in turn is negative for other commodities. And then lastly, today we had the Fed chairman testifying early today at Congress, and she did confirm that the plan was to raise rates here later in the year, and that's considered deflationary for commodities. So all those things together are creating nervousness in these markets, especially markets that have gotten relatively high. Some of the agricultural markets, specifically corn and soybeans, have gotten to extremely high levels, and that makes those markets susceptible to pullbacks. So let's just take a look here at where we closed today. December cotton closed down 124 at 64.89. November soybeans down 8 1/4 at 10.16 3/4. We had December corn actually firmed up late and closed up 1 3/4 at 4.40 1/2. September wheat down 3 3/4 at 5.67 1/4. The range on the day, more activity today. We had cotton 161-point range from low to high. The high of 66.21 made last night. The low of 64.60 made about 11:30 this morning. November soybeans had a range from low to high of about 21.5 cents. The high of 10.27 was made last night, about 10.15. The low of 10.05 1/2 was made this morning at about 11.15. December corn had a full range of 10 3/4 cents. The high was 4.42 3/4, and the low was 4.32. The high was made late today, around 12:15, and the low was made about 11:15. September wheat had a range of 11 1/4 cents. The high of 5.69 3/4 was made last night on the opening, and the low of 5.58 1/2 was made this morning about 11:15. Looking at the financial markets and outside markets, the dollar was up 53. The crude oil right now is down $1.50. Gold is down $6, and silver is down 25 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones is up about 18 points. So that's really it for today. We'll remind you that tomorrow morning we'll have export sales. So make sure you join us tomorrow at 7:30 for that. Thanks for being with us.